guys, welcome back to the second part of this unboxing. This one's pretty easy. You just slide that bit off and oh, whoa, okay, sealed. Cut through that part and here it is, the headset of the future. And I heard this is way better than the Oculus Quest, but I don't know until I try it, right? You won't know until you try it. Yes. Not having a good time today with, ooh, comes with AA batteries in there. What else do we have? It has a bunch of stuff in here. Ta-da! One controller, a power cable and charger, the instructions, and stay in touch. Cool. Alright, see you soon, guys. I'm going to do more of this unboxing coming up shortly. But yeah, there you have it. A very cool looking headset.